You know, a lot of us have shady areas and we want lawn to grow, but we finally have given up because we can't get grass to grow. And maybe it's even too shady for some ground covers, but it might be ideal for green moss. But we just don't know where to start. How do we get it to grow? We heard all these different stories. Well, there's two ways I do it. One, you can find moss, green sheet moss, in bulk, which means it comes in boxes. A lot of times florists can get this for you, or maybe some garden centers. And then all you do is take your green moss and you just lay it on the ground and you get floral pins and just pin it to the ground, and then eventually it will root out. That's sometimes the most instant way. Or what you can do is make a moss milkshake. Literally, it is a moss milkshake. What you do is you pour some buttermilk inside your container, which I've done, or you can also use plain yogurt if you'd like. And then you're going to go ahead and take your green sheet moss, and you want to make sure it's fresh, which means it is alive, or you can harvest it yourself from the woods, that type of thing. Go ahead and just put it with your buttermilk like this, and then we're going to go ahead and blend it and chop it up. We don't want it too fine. We still want chunks of moss in there. So I'll go like that. Looks good, doesn't it? All right. Remember, not too mixed up. And then you have your milkshake. Now what you're going to do is you're going to find your rock, get a nice big paintbrush, and simply just paint it on just like this. Keep it moist, of course. Before you know it, it's going to root out. I'm Chris Olsen, and you're watching Today's Home.